I'm Maida from Datacoves, and welcome to our Getting Started video series. In this video, I will be covering the Transform tab at a high level, as well as some minor setup. Before anything else, it is crucial to configure your user settings. This step ensures that your database and Git connections are active and that your repo is cloned properly. Let's review our user settings by selecting the circle in the top right-hand corner and clicking into Settings. We'll scroll down to the Git SSH key section and into the Repositories section. Don't proceed to the Transform tab until you see a tested status next to your repository. If you see a disabled status, you can test your connection with the green lightning bolt. Once we see a successful connection, we can continue scrolling down to look at our database connection. As you can see here, I have a Snowflake and a Redshift database connection that's tested and ready to go. For more support on these configurations, please refer to our documentation how-to guides, where you will find detailed step-by-step instructions. Now let's head back into our workbench. Let's go ahead and bring up a terminal. We could do so by right-clicking and selecting Open an Integrated Terminal. Alternatively, we can select Control-Shift-tilde to bring up our terminal as well. We have some extras here in this tab that we want to clean up. Let's do so by right-clicking and deselecting the items that we do not want. We are going to be removing Problems, Output, Debug Console, and Ports. You should be left with Terminal, Snowflake, and Query Results. If you are in a Redshift environment, you will be left with Terminal, SQL Console, and Query Results. We can check that everything is working properly by running a dbt debug. This will check our connection and the status of our dbt project. While I won't be doing a deep dive into specific features, let's take a look around the editor. On the left-hand side, we see our extensions. Extensions enhance your experience, and Datacoves comes with some essentials out of the box, starting with the Explorer, the Search, the Source Control, your database management, so Snowflake or SQL tools, and the Datacoves Power User. On the bottom of our editor, we have some useful buttons to run models, format our SQL, and more. If need be, we can reset our environment by clicking on the Transform tab and selecting Reset My Environment. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and for more information, please visit us at docs.datacoves.com.